Enjoy the security. Enjoy the life. KERUI DW9 Driveway Alarm Welcome System. This outdoor infrared is designed with low power consumption, using 2 AA batteries, can be used for more than 6 months. It has replaceable port. Different ports have different detection angles. The installation is simple. Just install the bracket on the wall or other positions, and then install the main part on it. Infrared can adjust the angle. The detection distance can reach 6 to 12 meters. You can pair one receiver with 1 or 2 PIR motion detectors. Of course, it can connect up to 8 PIR motion detectors. The wireless transmission distance of 300 meters allows your infrared to be placed in a suitable place without exposing the host location. The DW9 receiver has 16 built-in songs, which can be switched by pressing the music button. Built-in 5-level volume adjustment. You can switch by pressing the volume button. KERUI Alarm System. Enjoy the security. Enjoy the life.